There, it's Chelle and Clint.
Hello.
Clint's having fun with his voice.
Yes, I am. It's such a blessing to have it back.
Isn't it though?
Still a little scratchy here and there, but it's not bad.
So I think this is going to be like Tuesday's video. Who knows? Anyways, guys, this is the drawer I was talking about in the last video. I just kind of painted them yellow. Probably redo that, but it was empty. And so this is what I made in 3 videos. So in about 4 hours, I made all of these. Just to kind of give you guys an idea. And you guys, you know the coin envelopes that we just did in yesterday's video. I made like 70 of those. So no wonder it took me forever. It took me an extra hour. So that's why it ended up being like 4 hours of stuff. So, and what I like to do is have like little dividers or something. So I might, I like to have like different containers that are like inside this drawer. So I might have to either find that or find like boxes that I can cut down. And that way I have like one just for coin envelopes, one for this, one for that kind of thing. But look at that. Isn't that awesome? I love it. How fun. So this is like 50 and 70, 130 pieces of ephemera in about 4 hours because, yeah. So I'm excited. Hope you guys are joining me. Let me see. I think I have everything to get started on this next one. And let me just set this aside, see if the cats end up doing stuff. Clint's out there still working on ink blenders. Still Saturday and it's only like 8:30, but I'm having so much fun. I'm just knocking some videos out. So this one is a little bit different in that I had to go through my stash of paper, which is fine for me because I have so much scrapbooking paper. I'm constantly buying paper. And what we're going to do here is we are going to make policy envelopes. And again, this is inspired by Tina with ShabbyDabbyDoodah. And they're going to be a little bit different than hers. And you know what I really need? I didn't get it. So I don't have to get it right now. Maybe I do. I don't know. Okay, let me go grab it. Okay, guys, I needed something to poke a hole with. So I went ahead and grabbed that. Of course, we'll need our glue. Clint had to stop what he was doing and get the baby out because it's dangerous for her to be out there because it's a lace and, you know, if she got her tail or fur or could not be good. So I sent him out with a spray bottle. Okay, so let's just see what we can do here. But I just pulled all kinds of paper, probably use my favorites just in case I overdid it. So let's kind of show you one of them. But look at this. I have had this in my stash for years. And I thought, you know, that's going to be perfect. I'm just going to give you just an idea. This one is about 7.5 by just under 10, so 9 3/4. So 7.5 by 9 3/4. You can make these any size because you will have, you know, pieces that you will want to, you know, you'll want smaller ones or larger ones or whatever. So again, Tina does not measure, which I love that about her, but I have to measure. It just bugs me not to. Not really measure, I guess, is just, I think it takes less time to, I don't know. Let me see what side I want up. I guess it doesn't really matter. It's going to be sideways, which is fine. So, I'm just going to put a, here, kind of like what we did with the coin envelopes. And then on the top, I'm going to make it quite a bit bigger. So let me just kind of give you an idea. I just like to have ideas sometimes, you know, how big do I want to do this? Okay. So this is 1.5 inches or so. Yeah. For the top. So, pretty simple so far. And it's simple. I mean, it's not, you know, nothing big really. This is a thin piece of paper. You can make it out of thicker stuff if you want to. And I did pull some that were thicker. So, I'm going to kind of cut them like we did, but you're going to do the top and the bottom. The big one is the top. So I really want it to have a nice look, you know. Okay. Go ahead and trim this. I just kind of want that to, it's going to try a different way, but you know, it wouldn't work for me that way. So I see why she did now what she did, because I was thinking I should try it a different way, but it won't work that way. So I just want them to be, you know, pretty nice and neat, like this. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I mean, that's simple, you know. I just want to kind of make it look fairly the same, because we're going to open this part. Isn't that nice? Okay. And do I want to trim that? I think it looks good. I might actually just fold this just a touch, because that would give me some more bulk, because we're fixing to put some brads through it, and I think that would go really nice. I like that. Okay, so let's see. Let's go ahead and glue that down on itself. Come out, come out. Gracie! Sorry, I hear Daddy talking to her. Lathes are really scary, really, you know, if you have long hair or something. I talked to this one guy that we do locates for, and he said when he was in high school, a girl leaned over and it ripped the hair out of her head, so like ripped her skull off. Oh, he said it was so gross. He said they were just like, yeah, it was not good. So because of that, we're really careful. Okay, so now what I want to do is take my little tiny punch, and I would like to use like something totally different than that. So I'm thinking of like the hot pink that I have here, and I have a lot of it, so let me just kind of cut this down. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I want to make sure it's going to be thick enough and sturdy enough. You know, these are the pieces that you will be putting your string through. I know it doesn't really make that much sense right now, but hopefully it will. Hopefully I can get 2 out of this. Let's see. And I'm just using like a scallop. Might even can get more than 2, so that would be nice. Scallop punch. Yeah. Go ahead and do a couple more. line it up underneath so you can just see where you're cutting. There we go. I just thought that would be fun. Okay, so you're going to have one up here and then one further down, so right about there. So I'm going to use this little tool and just put a hole right there, and then see if it lines up. Yeah, it does. So just a little bit. How am I going to do that? I really need a pencil, huh? Pencil. Let me grab one. There we go. And then I'll put one through there and just see if I can punch a hole. There we go. You know what I'm going to do, I think I'm just going to use a strip kind of underneath it just to make sure, you know, just so it's sturdy. I have tons of scraps, I may as well bulk it up a little bit if I need to. You're not going to see this piece anyways. There we go. And that's going to bulk it up, so that's going to be nice. Do whatever you feel like you need to do. I like to just make sure it's going to stay, you know, long term. So then that lines up. And then where's my little pieces here? I got too much paper right here. It's bugging me. It's bugging you guys. Okay, let me move some of this out of the way. I can't see what I'm doing. The cats are all running around. Okay, so I have those. Okay, so I need to poke a hole here. You know what I didn't get is something to poke a hole through, huh? Oh, I think I have my glue book up here. Let me look. Let me look. Okay, let me go get my phone book. Okay, so I'll just kind of eyeball the center of these. Just a small hole. They don't have to be perfect or punch really flat. I have really tiny brads, and so this is a perfect idea to use those. Okay. So and then what I'm going to do is dig out my brads. Unfortunately, I think all I have is really tiny ones, but that's okay. So let's do the pink, I think. I think it'll work just fine. But because I made them a little bit thicker, I think it'll work. All kinds of issues, I tell you. There's sister. Hi, baby. What are you doing? So this, I need to put it through here. No, don't chew on that. Go away. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put it through this. Like that, right? And then I am going to put it through this hole and then the other hole. Tina made it look so easy. It's not too bad. Okay, and then I'm going to reach in there. And you know what I want to do, I think? Let me show you. I also have eyelets in here. This is something I learned when I first started. It was actually, let me move that out too. This is a good way to use these eyelets, just for, they're tiny, tiny. So, let's look at the pink ones. No, sister. Just gonna get one of each out. That way, if it disappears, I know I gotta take her into the hospital or something. Go away, little stinker. Go away. And then this. Go ahead and hold on. She's hearing the little tinkling. Okay, so put this guy here. No. Put an eyelet here. Right, so you're going to put your eyelet on your brad. Then you're going to pop it through. And that's going to give you a little bit of a lift, which I think is what these need. Here's a brat. Here's a brat. Here's a brat. Okay, Daddy wants you. Go find him. Go find Daddy. Oh, sister's trying to find you. Okay, so now sister's trying to find you. You don't want her? Okay, so now we're through there. Just a little bit to push down if I can. I guess I could just go through the top one, huh? Okay, let me see. Do I have to go through the bottom? I guess I don't. Let's just do it like this. I think that's going to be easier. Because you're not going to pull too hard on this. There we go. So there, so then that is going to glue down there. And then you can do your, I did it wrong, darn. I did it wrong. I want that brad to be underneath that.
Hey guys.
There's Clint. Ooh, that one's pretty.
Yeah, see this is a lighter shade one, but it still has quite a bit of detail in it. Especially once I dip it, it's amazing.
Yeah, it is.
So I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so let's try that again. So put that one here. Okay. Okay. I want that here. Then we will put it here and then put it down. You don't have to use that, but I wanted it just to be a little bit. And I'll show you why. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's how I want it. So just a little bit kind of off from the paper. And then I need one up here too. So let's just kind of, I want it to be centered. Of course I do, huh? So I want it up kind of high, so like right there. Let me just put a pencil mark. Let's see if that works. Okay, so yeah, I think that'll work. So again, we're going to take your brad, thread it through your little circle. Put a little tiny eyelet on it. You could squish the eyelets if it was too big and you just wanted a little bit of give. And pop that in there. And you know what? I think I want like a little piece of paper here just to kind of build that up. So let's go with the pink again. So yeah, let's do that because it kind of matches. These, I don't think we're going to have as many done. What do you guys think? Just going to smear it. Put this here. Just to double up on it because this is really thin paper. If I had double-sided paper, it wouldn't be that bad. Now we'll trim it. Sticky hands. I just don't want it to like break through the paper. Okay. So where's my hole? I think it's right here. It doesn't look centered, does it? Yeah, maybe. Okay. So then take your eyelet, Brad. Put that through. And then the scissors help, especially when you're old, like me. Kind of easier to separate them. There we go, like that. And because I doubled up on it, it's not going to come out, you know. So I think I will glue this down. And then here too. So these are really fun. They are going to take a little bit longer for sure. Isn't that cute? And then let's just grab some twine. I don't have pink, but I have purple. Let's grab the purple twine. It's in here somewhere. However long you want it. I don't know. I don't know. And either top or bottom. But see, because we have that eyelet under there, gives us room to thread this, you know, and circle it. So, and then I like to just kind of go really close under it, just so you can't see it. It doesn't have to be. And then this is a policy envelope. So isn't that cute? And then you can do it however many times you want. You can cut it down. So yeah, so that's what we're going to make if we have time. Maybe only like 3, but it always takes so much time to do longer, you know. So let's just see what we want to do, what I have. Let's do some that I would definitely use. Like here's a black one. I think I'm just going to do one. So I was saying, what, about 7.5 or so. Let's see, that's 7.5. That worked out really well for me, I think. Trim it here, or score it here, and then score it here just about 1.25 inches or so. This is kind of thin, so again, I probably will double up on it, but I can just use this one, you know, to So I'm not going to, yeah, let's kind of make it a little bit bigger. And then I'll fold that under. And then this one, make it a little bit easier on myself. Okay. I'm going to cut it just like we did the coin envelopes. And I just want to make sure that it looks nice when it's just kind of lined up correctly, you know. There we go. So it just looks nice there. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and fold these just to make them, I guess, just one side really. But since I did it on both, I'm going to go ahead and do it on both. There we go. Nice and simple. Let's see, I do have a solid black, so let's double up on that. I think that'd be really fun. Fun way to use up your scraps for sure. For our circles. Sometimes they're pretty stubborn. So I got two of those. Cool. Punch them in the center. There, one here. Hopefully I have colors that will go. You got a bowl of peaches. Yeah, you did, didn't you?
Yeah, probably a good pound right there.
So let's just see where I want the hole. There it is. My pencil. Just about right
there. Sorry, guys.
So that doubled it up because glue it down, strengthen it.
Now let's keep these and then move the stuff out.
Oh yeah.
Fine.
This one I probably won't put string on because I don't have any black, but that's okay. We can do that later. Just kind of want to get the little things done now, you know. Let's see, what color do I want? I really don't want like a bright color. Do I have anything else? I know I do somewhere.
Hey, look.
So let's see what I have. And you know what? I could probably just, what's it called? Color over it with a black marker. I think that's what I'll do. So it doesn't really matter what color I'll just use. Let's use purple. And then I'll get my Copics out and color them so they're black. Or just any marker. I don't worry too much about this part because you don't really see this.
Coming up, honey.
Okay. I'll only take out enough, that way if one disappears I can look for it and in her tummy.
She heard those growls. It was like moth to a flame.
Yep. Okay, I hit them. So I was wondering if I could make one of these work. Yeah, I think I could. Oh, headache. Go away, baby girl. Daddy wants you. I do not want her.
You're like a hole in the head.
Nah, you need her. You need her. Worse than that, don't you? No. these are some of the edges I just cut off, and I thought, I wonder if I can make that work. Don't chew that, you're gonna stab your brain. Oh, you guys. Little kitty for sale. Quit chewing on that. Gonna glue your mouth shut. Go away. Okay. She typically takes a nap for a couple of hours right after she eats.
She did it.
She did not today, so I'm hoping she will eventually, but yeah. Did not today. Isn't that cute though? Look how cute that is. Okay, so we can go ahead and put one of those here. Put this one over there. Put the purple through. That through there. This through here. And pop it down. Separate it. There we go. So that's really glaringly purple, but I will just use a magic marker or something. And then here, I'm just going to kind of measure it about halfway. Huh?
She's laid down.
Oh good, maybe she's tired. I can't see where I put the, there it is. Okay, let's try that again. Take our black, it's way off. I think it'll cover it up. Good enough. It's not perfect. That's okay. Doesn't have to be. And there, and then we'll pop it in here. Like that. I tell you, I think that takes the longest there. And the brads. Okay. There we go. And then we'll just glue that piece down there. Oh, that looks like Halloween colors, doesn't it? So let's put this piece here and this piece. I think that's the easiest way to do it for sure. And just a fun policy pocket. See, that one's way crooked, but that's okay. Okay, so we got 2 done. How long have we been doing this? About 30 minutes, I think. So we might can get a couple more done before. That one's pretty. Let's do this one. Before time is up.
How about having you? Here, help carry that out.
I know. Again, I'm just going to measure like 7.5. Just a good size for me. Works out pretty well. About an inch and then about, or about 1/2 inch and then about 1.5 inches. Pretty far over so I can kind of double up on it and make it kind of centered. This will probably go underneath. Oops. one just about right there. Just because these are, like I said, really thin papers, so that's why I am doubling up, and I think it works pretty well. So let's go ahead and turn that piece off.
I'm still planning on doing it.
Doesn't matter, hun. I'm on Tuesdays right now. So it's whatever you want to do. I'll do it for next weekend. Of course, I might even make that one
Yeah, you never know.
this week. Oh, I'm going to do the top. Sorry, I was talking to Clint. Okay, let's do it like this. One thing I didn't check on the other one was how my opening went. But I kind of wanted to make some more junk journaling, like the ones that I like to do, the style, so that I can, you know, have some to pull out. So. But I do like doubling that up because I just feel like it definitely is sturdier. Okay, I can come help you. You ready? Okay, well let me know. Well, that lined up really well, so I'm okay with that. And let's kind of measure where I want this. Yeah, right there is good. Maybe it's just easier to do it like this. Okay, what color do I have? She's asleep. I was thinking like maroon or something. Again, though, it doesn't really matter what color I use because I do have a lot of Copics, which are alcohol markers. So I can color them. So that's a fun idea. Let's do hot pink though, just in case the color comes through. Okay, what color circles? I bet it is. Oh, here we go. That's a good size. Good color for this one. Yeah, I trimmed claws this morning, so it doesn't take very long. Arctic is not a fan of getting his claws trimmed.
It actually wasn't too bad.
He wasn't. I kind of rushed through it and got them done, and it was really nice. So,
Okay.
see if I can get these a little bit straighter. A little bit thinner than I would have liked, but that's okay. Okay. They're coming together now, so that's nice. Where was that at? Oh, how funny. Yeah, we've had something missing since we had our accident. So I ordered Clint a new one. It was his beard comb. So I ordered him a new one and he just found it. Of course. But I knew that if he found it, that would be fine. It wouldn't be that big of a deal. So let's go ahead and put this like here, I think would work. Just to double it up. Just to double it. If you wanted to, you could just put like just another circle or something on the inside. But I really want it to be sturdy. So these are so fun, but yeah, we're only going to get like 5 done, which is fine because, you know, you don't have to have one in every journal either. So let's put it right there. Just put a little bit of these are really fun though. You could certainly just, you know, cut down some paper and work on them in front of the TV like we've done before. We don't watch a lot of TV, so. But I know some people have their regulars and they like to have stuff to do in front of the TV. Okay. That's that. Looks pretty good. Really quick and simple once you get the hang of it. Hopefully that is not going to. I think I might have went a little over, but that's okay. I'll wipe it off. Just kind of smooth it down. There we go. And then I'll just let it dry. And then this. So these will be fun to like throw in a pocket, you know, maybe one per journal or something. I think that would be really fun to just toss in some goodies in there, throw it in a pocket like on the back or something of your journal. Okay, I know Clint's going to be calling me in a minute and then I'm going to be off my groove, huh? This one I'm not even going to cut down, I don't think. There. This one's going to be a little bit smaller, but you know what? That's not a big deal. I know I just want to fold one of them so that there we go. And then I like this makes me feel more secure. Actually, I'm going to trim this because it's not straight. And we'll do this one about 1.5 inches or so. Trim it. Sorry, I talk a lot to myself. I even do this one. Just me doing it and I'm just talking. Nobody's around. You guys aren't with me. I'm just like, okay, Michelle, now you're going to do this. And then this. Yeah, that's just me. Hope you guys are joining me. These are so fun. I'm having so much fun doing these. Or if you're just watching and then you go check out Tina's and kind of play along with her. Like I said, she has like 55 or 50, yeah, 50 some. She has a lot of these type of videos. And I just thought it would be fun. So you could even, if you wanted to, just make them like this. I like to have them all the way done as far as my except maybe the string. Or if I had the right color, I would definitely, you know, go ahead and do that. Do what? You ready? You ready? Okay. So now let's put it right there. I'm going to scooch it over just a little. Have it more centered, I think, yeah, than that one. Okay, let me go help him and I'll be right back. Okay, got Clint situated. And I just made up some paper for this one. There we go. If it's really thin, I think I like the, like a triple fold, just kind of thicken it up. And this one had like a little postmark. I thought that was cute. Two. These are ones I bought years ago in a place near us when I started scrapbooking. There used to actually be a close scrapbook store. Of course, when they went out of business, you know, you have to buy some of everything. So let's see, I already have a hole there. So, oh, I want that on top. I just think that's cute. Let's do this one here. Little eyelet. Plus, I never know what to use these little eyelets on, so it works perfectly for this. It's already warm outside, guys. It's 9:15 and yeah, it's scorching kind of outside. Okay, so what paper do I want on the inside? Just something to double it up. Ooh, maybe this. Yeah, because it's kind of scrapbooky looking. Okay. Scrapbooky looking to me is like more junk journal, I guess, is what I mean. It's kind of distressed looking, kind of old junk journal, and not so much the new stuff, you know. It's ones you would ink, you would, depends on what look you're going for, and I use that a lot in my journal, so I know I'll be happy with this one. So you could do this with coffee dyed paper. I think that's what Tina did. Again, I kind of just get the gist of what she's doing, and then I just kind of do it my way because I don't want to copy her, you know, exactly. So and then where's my, just kind of go underneath that just to get a good glue down there. That one's so cute. I love that one. So fun. And just about right there. Maybe down just a hair. These are fun. I might have to do more of these later because they're just fun to do. You done? I said, are you already done?
I got one done.
Wow, that didn't.
I got mine,
Oh, that didn't take long.
yeah,
Love you. There we go. Now I'll probably cover that up maybe with brown or something. I don't know. Okay, do we have time for one more? Because, you know, I don't keep up with my time anymore. Let's see if I have one that is, oh, let's do this one. I was thinking, I'm going to make a Halloween journal, is what I decided. And mainly because when I was in the bedroom looking for pieces, I found Halloween paper, and I thought, you know, I ought to use that. So again, I'm cutting it 7.5, and then what, half an inch or so. But this one is cardstock. So I just wanted to kind of show you this. I'll probably still decorate it like under the flap, just because it is white and I don't necessarily want that. But I can save some of this paper because since it's cardstock, I don't have to double up. And if you notice, it breaks, see what I mean? So it kind of cracks and stuff, which would be fine. I'm not going to ink it right now because I think I would, if I could make it really big like that. Might be too big, so let's trim it. I'm not going to ink it right now because I want to use black when I do ink it. So, and that would just save me another piece of that one. I was born on Halloween, I think I mentioned that, and so I really like making Halloween junk journals. I think I still have one in there. Sometimes I pull them until the season pops back up. And then you think, oh, this one's never going to sell, so you pull it and then you put it back in and it sells like in just a couple of hours. You never know what people are interested in. Just a little. But it's really nice not having to double up on it and stuff. It's not that big of a deal. And like I said, I just want it to be sturdy and I want it to stand up long term. But this is a good way to use up those papers that you've had forever, and you're thinking, I don't want to throw them away, but I don't really have anything to use them in, you know. So you could use them in here, put some goodies in it, and just ship it out, you know. Let's do black again. That's fun, and I already have one made. Super thick, so let's do purple. Might even leave it purple, wouldn't that be fun? Because it is Halloween and purple and black are a common color. Oh, startled me. Okay. Purple ones just because I leave that purple. But yeah, I've probably had these 15 years. All these little itty bitty eyelets. Yeah, or even longer. Okay, so I think I want this one here because that's kind of in the center. And then what I'm doing is I just make sure there's like an inch or so right there. I don't know if I explained that. And then I'll just put it right there. Just like that. That looks pretty good. So, an inch. Go right there. I think I have some black. Yeah, I do. That I can glue here. Yeah, so I had to really put some sunscreen on Clint. We have that spray sunscreen. Still really hot here. course, it is till summer. It's the 1st of August. And I am making this video. There we go. It's not too bad. And then, like, I kind of messed up, so I'll probably use black soot later to ink it. Okay, let's finish this one, and then we'll have like 5 done, which will be nice. More than I would have had otherwise, huh? Okay. A brad, an eyelet, and through the hole. Brad. An eyelet. Isn't that cute? I love that. Okay. So we got about 5 done. I think that's a pretty good amount because this one takes some work. So I really enjoy these. I hope you guys are joining me in this. I don't know how many videos I will do, but I'm having fun. So yeah, and see, they're all different sizes. I just ripped that one. That's a bummer. That's okay, I'll fix it. It's underneath some washi tape. Fix it right up, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's fun. Like I said, just pop them. You know, one day you could do a bunch of circles. In fact, I'd like to have like 10 more of them, just to kind of have them in my stash. So maybe I'll do like 10 more while this video's uploading or something, and just kind of get them ready. I'm going to put them in my box. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.